Yeah, let's have some tea, bro.
Thanks, man. You know, a lot have been happening in China lately.
Yeah, tell me about it. All right. Could you take a picture for me while I'm holding this white paper?
What's that for?
You know the fire in the high rise in Urumqi, right?
Yeah, I know.
Because of that, Chinese people are standing up and demanding freedom and democracy in China.
Are they also demanding the independence of East Turkestan?
No, but they're demanding the release of the Shanghai people. At the same time, they're also demanding the release of the Uyghurs in the concentration camps.
I see. Hear me out, brother. Our goal is not only to free those Uyghurs in concentration camps, but to restore the independence of East Turkestan. Uyghurs facing lockdown and genocide is only because East Turkestan is occupied by China. For them to gain long-term freedom, there is no other ways than independence of East Turkestan.
Yeah,
And Chinese government is cracking down on Chinese people, and they couldn't bear the suffering. That's why they started the revolution. But we are not doing a Chinese revolution. We are fighting to restore the independence of East Turkestan. Here, hold this paper.
yeah,
I'll take a picture for you.
okay.
This blue paper, it represents the blue flag of East Turkestan, as well as the restoration of East Turkestan. It also represents the comeback of those people who are misleaded from their goals, just like you.
Yeah, you're right, brother. Even if we march together with Chinese people, we must never forget our goal, which is to restore the independence of East Turkestan.
That's right. Brothers and sisters, we invite you all to hold the blue paper and join us with this fight for the restoration of East Turkestan.